Hello Friendlies! Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my homemade toothpaste. So if you're new here, hello, my name is Rachel. Welcome. So I am currently in the process of rebranding my YouTube channel to include more videos about handmade items, natural living, and staying healthy as a woman. So if you're into that and you would like to see more of it, don't forget to follow me on my other social media platforms, and I will leave links to those in the description. So let's get started. So for this DIY, you will only need two main ingredients, and that is coconut oil. I get mine at my local grocery store. And the second ingredient is baking soda. You will also need a spoon and a jar to hold your toothpaste. So the first thing that you're gonna do is take your coconut oil and you're going to add equal parts coconut oil to baking soda. So you can make a small amount or you can make a large amount like I'm doing today. It's really personal preference. And then next you're going to grab your baking soda and add an equal part of that. Then after that you're going to take a bowl of hot water and place your jar of coconut oil and baking soda in the middle of it. And this will help to melt the coconut oil so it's easier for you to mix. After it's melted for a little bit, you can take your spoon and start mixing it all together. And at this point, you can add any kind of mint to your toothpaste to give it a nice flavor. I prefer to use peppermint oil, but you can also add dried mint leaves. But again, this is optional and is completely up to you. So after you mix it all together, you'll see that it's pretty runny, so you can take it out of your hot water and let it solidify. After it's solidified, it should be a nice toothpaste consistency. And voila, there you have it, all natural toothpaste. And this jar lasts me a very long time, probably about a month or so. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to hit the like button. I really appreciate it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!